is SightLine? SightLine is a cable drop system, and it replaces your traditional black drop that typically goes on top of your screen with a big black area. It only does vertical position of your viewing area. Now we do that vertical positioning with a cable drop system. There are two main benefits doing that. The one is, obviously, aesthetically it's much more pleasing. The screen is almost floating in the air this way. The other one is flexibility on site for installation. There's 1.80 meter cable on the roll, and it's always there for your convenience. So either if you would need 1 centimeter drop, 5 centimeters drop, or all the way up to 1.80 meter, it's always there and you can decide on site. This way you can use the same screen in a meeting room or in a church hall. SightLine gives you the benefits of flexibility and aesthetically pleasing to the eye.